Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're here on a strip and wax job today on this wonderful Saturday. You can see how dull the floors are, scratched up here. All this built up. It's not shiny at all. We're taking the wax off. We got the stripper down right now, so it's eating the wax. You can see it coming up there. See if we can kick some up. Hey. Picking some up there. All right, now we're using the buffer to get some of the wax up, buffing it up. You see it's working out great so far. All right, stay tuned till after. All right, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. As you can see, we got the floor stripped all the way down here. That's why it looks so dry. So we got it all the way off. There was a lot of wax on this floor. Years of buildup of wax. We got it all up. Now we're gonna lay the finish down after we neutralize. So we're getting ready to neutralize the floor now, and then we're gonna lay our finish. All right, now as you can see, we're putting down the finish right now, the wax. This hasn't been done yet, this has been, but it's coming along so far. Stay tuned. All right, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. We are finished here. We only have one more layer of one more layer of finish to lay down. As you can see, the floors are coming out great. They have the shine to it. They're not only have the shine, but they also are protected. The type of solution that we use, the finish that we use, lasts 5 to 7 years on the floors. Along with routine maintenance. So we'll maintain the floors as well after we do clean them, or strip and wax. That's what we're doing right now. And like I said, we're all finished, and we're just laying one more layer on, and we'll be all good to go.